YouTube title: Find where the gradient equals 1. A trap most students miss. Today's question: gradient equals 1. F of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x minus 6. Step 1. Understand the word gradient. Gradient means the slope at a point, which is the derivative f prime of x. We will work with f of x, as written here. Step 2. Find the derivative using the power rule. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. The derivative of negative 2x squared is negative 4x. The derivative of negative 3x is negative 3. The derivative of the constant negative 6 is 0. So the gradient function is f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 4x minus 3. Step 3. Set the gradient equal to 1. 3x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals 1. Move everything to one side first. Subtract 1 from both sides to make 0 on the right. We get 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 equals 0. Always make it equal to 0 before factoring or using the quadratic formula. Step 4. Solve the quadratic by the AC method. A times c is 3 times negative 4 equals negative 12. We need two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and add to negative 4. Those are negative 6 and positive 2. Rewrite the middle term using those two numbers. 3x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 equals 0. Factor by grouping. 3x times x minus 2 plus 2 times x minus 2. So it factors as open parenthesis 3x plus 2 close parenthesis times open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis equals 0. Step 5. Use the zero product property. Set 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Then 3x equals negative 2, so x equals negative 2/3. Set x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equals 2. Quick check. Plug into f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 4x minus 3. At x equals 2, 3 times 4 minus 8 minus 3 equals 1. At x equals negative 2/3, 3 times 4/9 plus 8/3 minus 3 equals 1. So both solutions check. For intuition, let's look at the graph of the derivative and the horizontal line y equals 1. The intersections appear exactly at x equals negative 2/3 and x equals 2. The trap most students miss. They accidentally set the derivative equal to 0, which finds turning points, not where the gradient equals 1. Or they forget to rearrange the equation so that it equals 0 before factoring. Always set the derivative equal to your target value, then move everything to one side to make 0. Final answer. The gradient equals 1 at x equals negative 2/3 or x equals 2. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MuyVerse Maths.